Howdy there, partners. It's your deputy, Shark Diesel. And right now I'm about to go to the gun range and bust a couple gaps. So tune in.
I've been ready to ball since I was a jet. See a album, tap that all black up chopper.
Pardon me, that was my Texas accent. Yeah, but I'm about to go to the gun range and shoot some guns. I'm gonna get to with y'all when I get there. Look, we on a rush right now. We going to the gun range in Absey again. And yeah, they supposed to be closed at 7. I hope we make it, cause we was supposed to get there at 6. But yeah, we gonna get with y'all when we get there. Alright, look, my fault for not, recording more. My fault, cause what had happened was, got there late. We couldn't really lollygag and record everything I wanted to. But here's some clips of me shooting that gat you heard, and my uncle shooting a gat too. We was shooting a 2011 Prodigy in a another 9mm. I forgot. I'm gonna tell y'all in a video, but yeah, that's why we didn't record coming in and getting goggles and the paper, because I was running late. But next time I got y'all for sure, for sure. I put this joint in X-ray so y'all can see better.
What's that one?
This is Smith Weston MP 9.
Jump out your hand.
Young boy talking about don't let it jump out your hand. I am a shark. Nothing's going to jump out my hand. Nothing going to jump away from me. Now get back to that vid. Yo, let me know in the comments who y'all think had the best accuracy. We might have had like the same or close to the same amount of miss, but let me know who y'all think had the best accuracy. All right, now we about to see how many we missed. So look, I missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those count, because that knocked his wig off. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. out of like, what, 50 rounds? 50 shots? So 14 out of 50. How much you missed? One. And it knocked his pinky off, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Count
That count. Wait, nah, that don't count because that would have hit him.
I'm saying we counted that.
Oh.
Part of the 15.
So 15 out of 50. We basically did the same. Yo, y'all thought the video was over? No. It might have been short, but I got a part 2 for y'all. Gun range coming up. But since the first, video was short, I'm gonna add some clips for y'all so y'all can laugh and giggle.
Tell me. Hold up, show me the rapper. Hold up. You supposed to get one of these, right? What the fuck is that?
Little bro, stop it. You know damn well that's not no panda.
What the fuck is that? That's not no panda. That's a white koala bear.
Young boy talking about the knockoff Kung Fu Panda schmack. That shit do not look like a panda, Demi. That shit look like with face. Young boy talking about that's a real panda. Nigga, that's a dip dot. That's a dip dot stick. A fucking dip dot. Bro, pop the fucking wheelie. Oh, little bro really wheeling. Like, I didn't think he was going to start wheeling. He really went from stop signs to stop sign. Go stop sign. You want stop sign? You want back-to-back stop sign? He really still going. Like, I didn't think little bro had it for that. He really turned around stop sign to stop sign. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Right here, he almost macked up. I thought he was about to mack up. But he fixed that joint and was still walking. Huh? I don't got a light. Psych, I lied. Y'all swore it was about to be the end of the video. I got one more clip for y'all. Let me know if I fried young bulls, because I do fry young bulls. And I'm one of the best in the city at Warzone. If you don't think so, I got a tournament coming up on this date. But back to the video.